Okay, so today we're going to be learning how to do a Giphy to create our own. Um, you will need to find a video that you want to use. So for example, mine is the Boston Dynamics video. You can see how he starts to go and he's walking around, which is great. Oh, look at all these great things that he can do. He can walk through rooms. So maybe I want to highlight something. That's pretty cool that it's able to do all these awesome things. Maybe I just want to have this funny looking neck twist thing. I don't know. Maybe that's a thing. All right. Maybe I want to highlight the fact that he can do our chores. That's also a very good thing. Here we go. But I have one that is actually my favorite. That's my favorite. So I want to show Spot falling over and over and over again because to me, that's funny. Okay, so I'm going to start. I'm going to notice what time it is. So I have 1 minute and 27 seconds. So I'm going to highlight and I'm going to copy my YouTube web address. And I'm going to go to the Giphy site. It's Giphy. And I'm going to go from here. So I'm going to choose my video. I can actually pick a video or GIF already, but I'm going to go in here and paste in. Oh, okay. Maybe we need to log accounts now. Okay. So let me go ahead and do that while you guys are waiting. So I already have an account, so I went ahead and logged in. Apparently you will have to log in or create an account to be able to do this. That's not horrible. So I'm going to go ahead and paste my YouTube video again. And you'll see that it'll bring up the whole entire thing and it will go for the duration of the time that I specify and it will start at a certain time. Do you remember what number I want to start with? Okay. So I want to go to all the way through 127. Okay. And then I'm going to pay attention to how long this goes. .9 seconds seems to be pretty good. I could probably even go a little shorter. And then you can see how long it's taking. Maybe even a little bit shorter. Let's go 3.5. And then I'm going to go to continue to decorate. So now at this point is where we can put fun things in here. And you can make it a meme, like I said. And you can move it and put it around. Do you guys have, what do you guys think? What should we put there? So I can kind of change it around. If you want it wavy, you can make it wavy. And then this is kind of fun, so it doesn't show up until boom, he falls. So there's a lot of cool things. I can go to stickers. So as I scroll through, I can grab. Oh. And then there's filters. So if you wanted to be kind of have some kind of filter on it, you guys know all about filters. And you can also draw on it if you wanted to. All right, so that's kind of dumb, but you can kind of put different things on there. There is an undo right here if you wanted to. So at this point, I think. All right. So I'm all good. Continue to upload. And upload the Giphy. So at this point, it's going to create my GIF. It's going to take my video, put it all together, and I will have a place to put this. So I'm going to put this on my template just so you guys can see what this would end up looking like. So I go to copy link. And I'm going to go to GIF link. So I'm going to copy this whole thing. This is the GIF link. I'm going to go back to my template and I'm going to put insert image by URL. And that's the difference because it's actually considered an image and not a video. So that's what throws a lot of people off. And you're going to take the GIF link because that's considered like a picture. And then when I go back through, you can see that it's on there. Okay? So hopefully if you have any problems, hopefully it works for you. But if you have any problems, just make sure you email me and you should be good.